So you're thinking about coming to China and you're unsure of all the rules and regulations around this 240-hour or 10-day visa-free entry. So with the new year, people are, getting ready. They're planning their travel, and quite a few want to come to China. Now, China extended this visa-free policy to 54 countries. In this video, I'm going to try to tell you everything that you should know about arriving in China and what you need to know about any rules or regulations regarding this visa-free entry. So the first thing, you must have an ordinary passport that's still good for at least 3 months. The second thing on this list is that you'll need to have a confirmed ticket to a third country or region after leaving China. So transit visa, meaning that you're transiting through China to somewhere else. So it has to be to a third country. So this is actually pretty easy to do if you're looking to come to only China for the most part. For instance, you can fly into China from your country and then just take a connecting flight back whenever you leave China to arrive into your country. So you could take a flight from, say, Beijing and then just go to Seoul or Tokyo or something, maybe stay a night and then return to your original country. And the last thing that you'll need to complete is an arrival or a departure card upon your arrival in China. So this is usually given to you on the plane just before you're landing, or you can find it after you've landed before you go through custom. You can apply for this visa-free entry at 60 different ports arriving in China. Now, some of these ports or these provinces are Beijing, Guangdong, or even Chongqing, where I am currently. Now, I will say, if you do plan on coming to China, one city that I really suggest that you have to visit is Chongqing. Now, Chongqing is arguably the biggest city in the world with 36 million people, and its municipality is roughly the size of Austria. Now, during your travels within China, if you do happen to come to Chongqing, one thing that you should check out is this company called Chongqing Tours. So what they do is they offer English tours to travelers just passing through Chongqing, looking for something to do. They specialize in premium travel. They'll give you a nice historical background of the city and all the different sites that the city has to offer. They also have a food tour, which I'm very partial to. I love food. You love food. So why not check them out? Go to chongqingtours.com today and find what you're looking for. Now, a few of these 54 countries that China has opened this transit visa-free entry to, I'm just going to name a few: the US, Argentina, Brazil, Canada, the UK, Australia, New Zealand, South Korea, Japan, Hungary, Iceland, Italy. So there's so many countries that this is available to, and I really do think that you should take advantage of this if you are thinking about taking a trip to China in the coming future. So hopefully from this video you learned a little bit. If you did, please like it, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.